subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for latest updates.
Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we'll try to understand minimization by Boolean laws and rules. In our previous class, we had an introduction to minimization. There we have discussed that we can minimize the given Boolean algebraic expression by using two ways. One of the way is minimization by Boolean algebra rules and laws, and the other way is minimization by Karnaugh map or K-map. So the discussion there we have clearly discussed what is meant by minimization, why we need to do minimization, and the different ways to do the minimization. If you haven't watched that video, please watch that video and come back here. And every video in our channel is going to be a complete a part of entire course or a complete playlist. Our suggestion is to follow the entire course so that you can have better understanding of the concepts, and the link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Now coming to this class, it is minimization by Boolean laws and rules. So the discussion about Boolean algebra has already been made in our previous section. Please watch that section and come back here. So for this, in order to minimize a Boolean expression by using Boolean laws and rules, one should need to know all the Boolean algebra rules and laws. Hoping that you know all those rules and laws, we are proceeding with these examples. So it's very simple. By applying the Boolean laws and rules, we are going to simplify it. Directly we will solve these two examples, and these two examples you try to solve them on your own by using your Boolean laws and rules, and give the answers in the comment section below. Okay, so now coming to this example, how to solve this. So first and foremost, we are going to have a clear idea on this. It is a De Morgan's rule. So by applying De Morgan's rule on this, we will try to simplify it. So how to do it? It is a b bar dot. So I'm going a little bit fast, hoping that you have a clear understanding of Boolean expressions, so which we have discussed in our previous section. So this is the Boolean De Morgan's law. Again, applying De Morgan's law on these two, it is a bar plus b bar into this one and this one. It is a bar plus c bar whole bar, and this is going to be double negation rule. So a complement whole complement c complement whole complement is going to be c, and this is c complement. Okay, c complement, and next is b plus a. Now we are going to expand this part. So what this part, after expansion, it is going to be, okay, after expansion it is a complement plus a complement c plus a complement b complement plus b complement c complement. This is the expansion, and now we are going to multiply this with this. So this is going to be a complement c complement, a complement c complement. This is going to be 0. C complement is going to be 0. So it is a complement b complement c complement plus b complement c complement c after expansion. Okay, and these two are zeros. So this one and this one are become 0 because c complement is going to be 0. Product of 0 is going to be 0. So the final it is going to be, now we are going to multiply this with a. It is ab plus a complement c complement, and this is 0 already taken out, and here it is a complement b complement c complement. So directly I have multiplied AB, AC, A bar C, this is A, A bar, B bar, C. See here, A complement is going to be a 0, and this entire is going to be 0 because A and A complement is there. So this one is going to be 0. So the final minimized equation is AB. So this big, so if you take this big entire circuit has been minimized to AB. It's very simple. So let's visualize the circuit which is drawn for this Boolean expression. And what is this? It is just an AND gate. It is just an AND gate. So the output of the AND gate with the A and B inputs is going to give the same result. So that is the beauty of minimization. That is why we have to do the minimization, because it is going to reduce the size and complexity of the circuit. Now coming to this bit, now coming to this example, we'll try to minimize it. So how to minimize it? The best part to start with is multiply this one. So this one is going to be BD plus C bar D, okay, plus AC B plus A. Now multiply B with all this. So it is going to be ABC plus BBD plus, with B means it is B C bar D. Now plus A. ABC plus BBD, this is going to be BD plus B C bar D. Okay, now what we will do is there anything to bring common? Yes, from this we can bring A common, and what we are going to left with, it is A plus BC, and from this part, from these two, okay, it is not complement. From these two we are going to bring BD as common. If you bring BD as common, it is 1 plus C bar. So this is going to be 1 and this is going to be 1, because 1 plus anything is going to be 1. So the final one is A dot 1 plus BD dot 1. So AND with any 1 ANDed with anything is going to be that anything part. So the final simplified equation is A plus BD. So this entire circuit, this entire Boolean expression will get minimized to this one. So our suggestion is, please try to solve these two bits. These are two bits. These two bits you try to solve on your own and try to produce the output. So the output that you are going to get, please put that output in the comment section below. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding these concepts, please post your doubts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.